Apparently there's a partridge hidden in here. Alright, John's gone to flush it out. I don't see it. You saw it?
Yeah, I did.
Liar.
Right down the hill. This is perfect partridge habitat. Normally,
You learned something new every day?
it's a little too early because normally you hear them drumming.
Yeah? What does the drumming mean?
It's like a mating call.
Mating call. See, this is what happens when your husband's a country boy. You're a suburban city girl. And he says, we're just going to go on a little jaunt. A stroll, if you will. Well, a stroll to you means something very, very different than it does to him, apparently.